Today I'm sharing a full day thyroid friendly vegetarian meal plan. This nutrient dense full day diet plan does not contain dairy milk, wheat, refined sugar, refined oil, or processed foods. The meals are customized to suit Indian taste using easily available and inexpensive ingredients. It's divided into 3 main meals and 2 small meals. Hence, you will not feel hungry throughout the day. So let's get started with the full day meal plan. Start your day with a glass of water which has been kept overnight in a copper jug or a copper water bottle. Next, have a handful or about 6 to 7 overnight soaked and peeled almonds and overnight soaked black raisins to make immune boosting and nutrient rich coconut chutney. I'm using 1 salted amla. I have already shared a detailed video on how to make salted amla. Links will be updated below this video. If you have access to fresh amla, you can use fresh, and if you don't have access to fresh one, you can use the preserved salted amla. Next, I'm adding in 2 sprigs of fresh curry leaf for that extra iron and folate. 3 to 4 shallots, also known as small onions. Shallots is also a good source of antioxidants and it's a prebiotic food. 2 green chilies, 1 cup of fresh coconut. Add in some water, pink Himalayan salt as needed. To make this protein rich, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of roasted chana dal. And now I'm going to blend this. Pour the blended coconut amla chutney into a bowl. Pour the tadka over the chutney. And my super healthy amla coconut chutney is ready to serve. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm greasing it with wood pressed gingerly oil, also known as sesame oil. Once the tawa is heated, reduce the flame to the lowest and pour in a small ladleful of dosa batter. I'm using sama rice dosa batter. Sama rice is also known as little millet or chama rice. Sprinkle some grated carrot on top, or you can use any grated vegetable of your choice. Drizzle in wood pressed sesame oil. With the back of a spoon, lightly press down the grated carrot. Cover and allow it to cook on low flame. Open the lid. Serve the carrot sama rice uthappam onto a plate. Repeat the same thing and make 1 more small carrot uthappam. I have already shared how to make sama rice dosa batter. Links will be updated below this video. Sama rice or little millet is high in fiber. It is also excellent for those with health issues like thyroid, PCOS and diabetes. Serve the carrot little millet uthappam onto a plate. And my super healthy thyroid friendly breakfast is ready to serve. As a mid-morning snack, I'm making a lemon juice, and for that into the serving glass I'm adding in pink Himalayan salt as needed, a fat pinch of kala namak, also known as black salt, a fat pinch of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of kokum syrup. Squeeze in half a lemon. The kokum syrup is made by boiling a couple of rinds of dried kokum. Into this I'm adding in some water, and my super healthy lemon kokum drink is ready to serve. For lunch, I'm making a highly nutritious dal curry, and for that I'm adding in 2 teaspoons wood pressed coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon cumin seeds, also known as jeera. Once the jeera splutters, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Reduce the flame to the lowest and add in 6 to 7 finely sliced shallots, 3 to 4 garlic cloves sliced, a small piece of ginger sliced, 1 green chili and 2 whole red chilies broken into 2. Give it a good stir and allow them to lightly saute. Add in half teaspoon turmeric powder. Into this I'm adding in 1.5 cups of finely chopped green amaranth. These are organic garden fresh green amaranth leaves. Lightly give it a stir. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. Give it a quick stir. Cover with the lid and allow the green amaranth leaves to get lightly cooked. A couple of minutes later, open the lid. The green amaranth leaves will help to make this very simple dal curry highly nutritious. And you can also notice that I have finely chopped the tender stems of the leaves as well. I have already cooked half cup of soaked tur dal with turmeric and 1 tomato, and I'm adding this into the pan. Give it a good mix. At this stage you can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in. And once it comes to a boil, give it a good stir and cover it with the lid. To make the sabji, I have already sliced 3 medium-sized green banana, also known as raw bananas. Green bananas are a good source of resistant starch. Resistant starch helps in good gut health. I have already shared a detailed video on the health benefits of resistant starch. Links will be updated below this video in the description box. I'm heating a heavy bottomed kadai with wood pressed coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in a handful of shallots finely sliced, a sprig of fresh curry leaves which I'm tearing and adding in so that the flavors are released. Curry leaves are also a good source of iron and folate. 1 red chilli, give it a good stir. And once the shallots are lightly sauteed, I'm adding in the sliced green bananas. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, and I'm giving this a good mix. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed, a couple of splashes of water, give it a good stir, cover, and allow the green bananas to cook on low flame. Once the bananas are cooked, give it a good stir and allow it to lightly roast on low flame. And once roasted, turn off the flame and the raw banana sabji is ready to serve. Now the rice I am using is called njavara rice. It's a traditional variety of rice which has many vital nutrients. I have already cooked the rice, and if you guys would like to know how to cook njavara rice, please do leave a comment so that I can make a separate video on this. Green amaranth and dal curry, banana sabji, cucumber slices, homemade mango pickle, and lastly a drizzle of A2 desi ghee. And my super healthy, nutrient rich meal for lunch is ready to serve. As an evening snack, you can have chakotra, also known as pomelo, or any seasonal fruit of your choice. If you don't have any seasonal fruit at hand, you can enjoy a handful or about 6 to 8 cashew nuts. For dinner, I'm making a healthy vegetable stir fry, and for that I'm heating my cast iron kadai with wood pressed sesame oil, also known as gingerly oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon black sesame seeds. Once the sesame seeds starts to crackle, I'm adding in about 7 to 8 garlic cloves. And allow the garlic cloves to turn light golden brown in color. I'm adding in 1 medium-sized onion cubed, half cup of peas, a handful of beans which I have sliced into this size, and 2 carrots which I have sliced into this size. Pink Himalayan salt as needed, and give it a good stir. Cover for about a minute or 2. A couple of minutes later, open the lid, give it a good stir. Add in 1 teaspoon crushed red chili flakes. You can increase or decrease red chili flakes as per your taste. 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, and give it a good stir. I'm adding in a splash of coconut aminos. Once the vegetables are stir-fried, turn off the flame and transfer the vegetables to a bowl. Once the stir-fried vegetables are transferred to the bowl, I'm adding in a splash of apple cider vinegar for some healthy gut-friendly probiotics. To make it more gut-friendly, I'm adding in about a half a cup of raw or green papaya. The enzymes in green papaya helps to maintain good gut health. For added protein, I'm adding in half cup of boiled chana, also known as chickpeas, and I'm going to give this all a good mix. At this stage you can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add it. And now I'm going to transfer this to a serving bowl. I'll be sharing more such thyroid friendly meal plans. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.